After the assessment's done, what can I do if I don't agree with the outcome?
Well, there's a number of options. What I would there is an appeals process that's available, and ultimately that can result in a panel with an independent chairperson and parties independent to the original assessment process being convened. Now, the family or the representative of the family will have an opportunity to present to the panel as to why they feel the individual has been incorrectly scored and why they have been incorrectly determined not to be entitled to the funding. They can also raise any procedural issues that they feel have occurred and how the national framework has been incorrectly provided. Now, the benefit of going through this process, if it's indeed necessary, is that because the panel is independent of the particular NHS trust involved, they have the authority to overrule the original decision and can award the funding where it perhaps was incorrectly denied. Equally, because they are independent, they are not incentivised by a negative decision, which of course may well be the case with a particular NHS trust who has particular budgetary constraints. We're aware from Freedom of Information Act requests made across England and Wales that there is somewhat of a postcode lottery. Depending on what area you live in, you may well find that the neighbouring NHS trust or a trust elsewhere in the country provides a far higher percentage of continuing healthcare funding than in the area you're in. Now, that cannot, of course, correlate. It doesn't follow that there would be a number of people who have more health needs in that particular area. Based on statistics, it makes no logical sense, and it can therefore only, unfortunately, be that people are being perhaps incorrectly denied the funding in that area, and therefore the independent appeals process is the opportunity to put that situation right.